Would you believe me if I told you that I tore this apart with my bare hands? This is a 5/4 deck board. Well, I didn't do it with my hands, but a bear did. Let me show you the damage. Hey guys, this is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual, owner at Cardinal Custom Lawn and Outdoor. We're up here in the mountains today, get to show you something that happens every so often. This is not something that happens daily or weekly, but it happens several times a year. A bear broke into a bear-proof trash can. The owner had this one built. It was actually built out of wood, and if you can see there, step around here, show you some of the damage. This is a 5/4 board for decking, and as you can tell, the bear just tore it apart. It fit right here, got in, tore the whole section off. Was working on that board. You should see the trash. Actually, I'll get a picture from the cleaners. They're the ones that called me and told me that the damage had happened. So it just pulled the board apart and then pulled the trash can and tore it into pieces inside of it, and trash was everywhere. So this is something that happens every so often. This is why we recommend bear-proof trash cans. To be honest with you, I recommend metal bear-proof trash cans. They're not bear-proof either. I have actually seen bears knock bear-proof trash cans over and down the hill, and then we have to go haul them back up out of the hill. We had to use a winch one time to pick it up. So it happens. But when they say that bears are real and bears do damage, I mean, guys, that's literally the same thing a deck's made out of. It would take me a hammer and a crowbar to be able to tear a deck apart that fast. So they're very strong creatures and very motivated. So at any rate, I'm going to get to working on this. We're going to cut some boards. I'm not going to be able to stain it today. The owner's going to be here next week. If he wants to paint the whole thing, he can, or if he wants to redo it, he can. It's not a big deal, but we've got to get this done. Renters are coming in 4 hours, so we've got to get this done in a hurry. Let's have fun. All right, guys, as you can see, we've got the work done. It's not completed. I mean, you know, we could still use to replace this board, but I'm gonna let the owner tell me whether he wants me to go ahead and do that or if he wants to line this. He had mentioned maybe lining it with some like chicken wire or something on the inside to keep them from getting, you know, the raccoons and stuff from getting through. So we may even replace the whole thing with a metal trash can. Metal bear-proof trash can. I'm not sure exactly, but just wanted to show you guys at least, you know, the top's fixed, so they're not going to be able to get in real easy and tear it off from the edge, and then that one's replaced. So it should at least keep the raccoons and the skunks and the possums out. Whether it keeps the bears out, I guess we'll wait and find out. Concerning bears, they are a problem, they are an issue. You need to, whenever you're in the mountains, or if you have cabins in the mountains, you need to stress to your guests to be careful for the bears, because they can be dangerous, they can cause problems. You know, they're a hazard like anything else, but that's just their nature, and they're out here having fun, and we live in their world. So we just need to make sure that when we rub shoulders, everybody's nice to each other. Well, guys, let's go do something else. This is John, author of the Cabin Owner's Manual and owner of Cardinal Custom Lawn and Outdoor Property Maintenance Solutions. Until next time, have a good day.